Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use spirulina powder for weight loss. Spirulina is a fantastic superfood, packed with nutrients that can truly support your health goals. It works by helping to boost your metabolism and naturally curbing your appetite, making it easier to manage your food intake. This amazing blue-green algae is also incredibly rich in protein, essential vitamins, and vital minerals, providing a comprehensive nutritional boost for your body. Incorporating spirulina into your daily routine is surprisingly simple. A popular method is to blend 1 to 2 teaspoons of the powder into your favorite morning smoothie for a powerful start to your day. Alternatively, you can stir about half a teaspoon into a glass of water or juice and drink it before your main meals. It also mixes well into yogurt or oatmeal, offering a versatile way to enjoy its benefits. While weight loss is a great benefit, spirulina offers so much more for your overall well-being. Many users report a significant boost in their energy levels, helping to combat daily fatigue and keep you feeling vibrant. It also plays a role in supporting your body's natural detoxification processes and strengthening your immune system. Plus, its high antioxidant content works to protect your cells from potential damage. To get the most out of spirulina, remember a few key tips. It's always best to start with a small dose, perhaps half a teaspoon, and slowly increase it as your body adjusts. Consistency is absolutely crucial. Regular intake will yield the best results over time. Finally, always remember to consult with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement into your diet, ensuring it's right for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.